Hello everyone, welcome to QB365. In this video, we are going to looking for how to create a question paper using our question paper software. Please enter the Google Chrome. In the top bar, enter QB365.in. After enter the page will be open. This page, you can just click the login. There is a two type of logins are available. One is a state board login and another one is a CBSE login. So based on your login credentials, use that particular type. So I have chosen state board login. So after click the login, so the login page will be open. Each subject have an individual username and password. So you can use your login credentials in that username and password. For an example, I have entered the Max 12th standard. So after enter the login credentials, please enter sign in. So after sign in, the dashboard page will be open. So in this dashboard page, there is a four kind of options are available here. So one is a question paper management. You can create a question paper using this one, and another one is a chapter based questions. The chapter based questions you can create it here. And another one is automatic question paper. You can create a automatic question paper format like a blueprint here. And another one is a manage questions. That manage questions shows how many questions are available here in the particular subject. So in this particular, there is a how many question type are available in this particular subject. How many questions are available in that particular question type are mentioned here. There is a question paper management. There is a two kind of question paper you can create it. So one is automatic question paper and another one is a manual selection. Automatic question paper means you can set the blueprint options before create a automatic question paper, and another one is a manual selection. You can select the manual question paper. So first you can create a automatic question paper. For automatic question paper, you just click the automatic question paper. So after click the automatic question paper, the page will be open. In this page, the blueprint name will be shown. So you can enter the blueprint name for your reference. For example, I can select the chapter 1 blueprint, means I can enter the chapter 1 blueprint. This is for my reference only. So there is a two type of questions are available here. So one is a book bag question and another one is a creative question. If you want to create a question paper only using book bag questions, you can just click the book bag. Or if you want to create a question paper using creative question, you just click the creative. Or if you want to both, please click the all button. So after the selection, there is a chapters are shown here. So you can select the chapters. So if you want to 1 or 3 chapters, you can select the multiple chapters, means you can select the multiple chapters. Or if you want to create a question paper for a single chapter, you can select the single chapter. So in this, there is a question type is shown here. So there is a book bag question and there is a creative questions shown here. So in that particular part, there is a how many questions are available in that book bag and how many questions are available in the creative. So you can select the questions like 5 out of 25 and 5 out of 49. So I can select the 5 questions in the book bag and 5 questions in a creative in multiple choice question. So same as you can select the 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. So the question types of varying from each subject to subject. So after select the details, you can scroll down here. So based on your selection, how many questions are selected and how many marks are you can selected is shown here. So you can submit the blueprint option. So after submit, the blueprint is added. So after that, you can create a question paper. Just click the question paper management. So in this page, there is a lot of question papers are already created. If you can create a previously created question papers are shown here. If you want to create a new question paper, just click the create question paper. So after click the create question paper, the page will be open. So in this page, the exam name you can enter as your reference. For example, I can use the monthly test, slip test, week test or weekly test or chapter 1 test. So whatever you want, you can enter as an exam name here. So I can enter chapter 1 blueprint test for my reference. So there is a preparation, there is a two type of preparations are shown here. One is a automatic question paper and another one is a manual selection. So first we can using the automatic question paper option. Click the automatic question paper. In that blueprint name, you can select the blueprint created before. So I have choose the blueprint I last created. So please be wait. The blueprint options are shown here. So if you want, in the blueprint options are shown here based on my selection in blueprint. So if I want to change the question count, I can change it here. So after that selection, please click the get questions. So that page will be shown. Please scroll down. So based on your selection, the questions are getted from our software. So this page is also a editable page. So please scroll down. So all the questions are shown here. So in this part, you can enter the school name or institute name. This is school name part. You can enter your school name or institute name or tuition name here. So in that particular is the exam time. You can enter the exam time as minutes. So if you want to create an exam for 1 hour means you can enter a 60, or if you want to create an exam for 2 hours means if you enter 120. So the exam date. So when can you conduct an exam? Please enter that date. So exam total marks. How many marks for that particular exam? Enter here. So in that page, there is a exam time, exam date and total marks is compulsory. So in that page, this is the main notes. So in that main notes column, so you can use the general instructions like use blue pen only, use black pen only. So whatever you want as given to the general instruction, you can enter it here. So in that particular part is a question type header. So in the like multiple choice question, there is a header. So if you want to change the multiple choice question into another one, you can part A or part B, part C. So whatever you can enter it here. So part A, choose the correct answer. So whatever you want as a question type heading, you can enter it here. So if you want to change the mark allocation for this particular question, you can change it here also. So each question type have each individual box. So you can enter as a part A means part B, part C, part D. So whatever you can prefer, you can enter it here. Please scroll down. In this footer notes, you can enter the all the best, congratulations. So whatever you can enter the all the best, congratulations here. After enter all the details, please save question paper. So that question paper is created. So in this page, you can create a question paper, the question paper name and date created. So there is a 5 kind of options here. So first one is a preview question paper, print question paper, overview question paper, edit question paper and delete question paper. So in this preview question paper, just click the preview question paper. So based on our selection and allocations and short notes, main notes, So the questions will be shown like here: the school name, exam name, standard and subject, exam time, exam date. So that main notes, question type notes. So the questions will be shown here. So in that particular page there is an answer key. Please click the answer key. So that answer key contains what kind of questions are asked in this particular question paper is shown as an answer key here. So that another one is a question with answer. So the answer will be highlighted here. So you can use it as a study material also for this type. And question with answers in final means, so the question is top and the answer is bottom here. So please click the question paper. So in that question paper there is a lot of options here. So in that particular portion, if you want to add that missing question type, the missing question type of shown here for that particular subject. So if you want to add that particular question type, you can add it here. In that add or remove in each question type. So if you want to add that another one question, or if you want to remove that question takenly from this question paper, you can use this option. So click to add or remove. If you want to add or remove in that particular chapter or what kind of chapter, you can just select the chapter name. That selection based on that question type, all the questions will be shown here. So in that selected box is the question is already added in this particular question. So the not select the custom box is not added in that particular question. If I want to add, I can just click the checkbox. If I want to remove, just uncheck the box. So if I want to add the question means I can just check the box, or if I want to remove the question means just unselect the checkbox. So after that modification, please update the question paper. The question paper will be updated. So in that option is a particular option is a replace question. So this is an automatic question paper. So if you want to replace the question from another question, you just click the replace question, select chapter. Those the question types and questions are shown here. So in the dotted questions are already in that particular questions is allocated. The select question is you want to replace that question. The unselect question, if you want to select the question, click that and update. So the question will be replaced. So in that option, if you want to edit the question paper, you can just use the edit option. Like if you want to the question is contains Ramesh, Suresh, or if you want to confuse the student and you can edit the question, you can change the name as Kannan, Ravi, or if you want to change the values of that question, or there is any different kind of added will be in that question means you can just use the edit option. So the edited questions will be applicable for that particular questions only. So there is options for sub question count. So if you want to move that 2 questions into 1 question, or if you want to move the 2 more question into 3 more question, so you can use this type. Like that, if I want to change the 2 marks into 5 marks, just select the 2 mark questions. So in that particular count, please click that, and where I can move, there is a 5 mark, so I can click the 5 mark. So there is a sub question count, how many questions I have moved, there is a 2 questions, so I can select the 2 and click the change. So the questions will move. Scroll down here. So there is a AB question, in a single question there is a AB questions are shown like a 2 marks is moved into 5 marks. So in that particular option is for add or remove question option, like a odd type option, either or choice. You can use as either or choice, you can use that the odd R type or remove odd type. If you want to add the odd type question means scroll down, same as just select 2 question, click the add R type, click change. So the question is changed. Please scroll down. So in the either or type is created. So same as you want to remove the R type, just select the 2 questions and click the remove R type, and change means the remove type will be applicable. So in that particular option, if you want to add a extra notes for that particular question, you can use this option. Just select the question number. Please scroll down. So that editor page will be open. So enter the notes what you get for that particular question. Scroll up and click the add extra notes. So that extra notes will be added here. So in this particular part, there is a print settings. Click the print settings. In this print settings, if you want to change the font size or question space or line space, you can change it here. Or if you want to hide that particular, I just create a question for a monthly test, don't need for that registration number, exam date, exam time, I don't want means, you can hide it here. There is a lot of hide options. Just click the hide button, the particular part is hidden. Also you can use as the logo watermark. In your profile you can update your logo. Logo means you can use that logo in center, right, left element option. Same as watermark. So the watermark will be displayed the question paper after that print. So in that shuffle question, so to avoid the malpractices, we can using the shuffle question option. So scroll down here. So the first question is, if you want to shuffle the questions, just click the shuffle question. So the question order will change it. So you can save as a pattern. You can just click the save pattern. You can enter as a pattern name as A and submit. So same as you can shuffle multiple times, A, B, C. So what kind of pattern you can save it here. So after that, all the details entered, and you can just click the print option. Please be wait, the question will be loaded. So the question paper will be shown. So you can directly connect it to printer, you can directly print the question paper. Or else if you want to save a question paper, please click the save as PDF and save the question paper. And you can share it via WhatsApp or email. So whatsoever you can share it the question paper also. So there is a automatic question paper is completed. So another method is a manual question paper. Click the question paper management. So create question paper, exam name. Please select the preparation type as manual. So after select the manual type, there is a question types of shown here in that mark basis. So after that, the chapters will be shown here. So all the questions types of defaultly selected. So if you want to conduct an exam in multiple choice questions only, please uncheck the all. Check the multiple choice questions only. So same as you can create a 2 marks only or 3 marks only or 5 marks only. So whatever you want, you just select that particular question type only. I can select the multiple choice, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. So after that, there is a chapters, all the chapters are shown here. So if I want to create a question paper for single chapter, just select a single chapter. So after that, click the next. In this page, so there is a hide all book back and hide all creative questions. So if you want to create a question paper in a book back only, you just click the hide all creative questions. Or if you want to create a question paper using creative questions only, means you just click the hide all book back, or else you can leave it. So in that particular question part, if you want to select the particular question, you can enter the question and select the question name. These are the multiple choice and multiple choice creative. So same as 2 marks creative. So in this particular block, if you want to select all the multiple, just click here. So how many questions are shown here? So if you want to manual selection, just click the here one by one. So the questions will be selected basis for one by one. So there is a multiple choice book bag and multiple choice creative. So all the questions are shown here. You can read it and select the questions what you want. So in that particular portion there is already asked questions, means that particular question is taken for this particular login, and the overall question means so how many times this question is taken from using our software. So there is a lot of teachers using our question paper software, nearly 45,000. So in that particular logins, how many times they are asking for this question, they are taken for this question. So we can sum and shown here. So in this particular part we have mentioned that exercise question, example question. So if the particular question is asked for the previous question, previous public question, so we have mentioned also here. So March 24, 23. So we can tag that maximum possible year here. You can select the basis on that also. So based on that, the same concept is for 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. So how many questions you want, you can just select that questions, and after that click the next. The next the page will be open based on our question selections. The question here. So same as automatic question paper, you can enter the exam time, exam date and total marks and main notes, short notes. So whatever you want, you can select it here and click the save question paper. The same question paper will be saved. So same as the automatic question paper options, you can use that preview question paper and shuffle questions, add or edit or remove. So whatever you want, if you want, using that preview question paper option. And the print question paper, you can click the and print the question paper. In that overview question paper, so how many questions are taken for that particular question is overviewed here. In that edit question paper, so if you want to edit the exam time, date or main notes, short notes or mark after that question paper created, you can click that edit question paper option and change it here. And delete question paper, you can delete the question paper. So in this particular part we have seen two different kind of questions. First one is automatic and another one is a manual question paper. So there is another set of questions as chapter based questions. So click the chapter based questions. So there is a chapters are shown here. In this particular part you can create a multiple question paper or a single question paper for that particular chapter. Please click the create question paper. So single question paper and multiple question paper. So if you want to create a multiple question paper, please click the multiple question paper. So the page will be open. There is a pattern prefix for your reference. So I can enter that particular subject name for reference. So there is how many question types are here and how many questions are available here. So you can allocate the question paper. So after that you can click the submit. Based on your selection, there is how many unique question papers are available here. So this is how it comes with unique questions, means based on your selections. So if there is a list question, if you select that one question, means there is a list question, there is a 3 questions. So I can select the only one questions and another one is a 1 questions, means so I can get it a 3 unique question paper. Unique question paper means that one set 3 different sets of question paper. One question paper does not contain another question papers, then another question paper questions does not contain another question paper. After that, if you want to click the remaining questions, means after that allocation the remaining questions are used as a remaining question paper. If you want to create with the remaining question paper, you just click the remaining options, or else you can just click the create now. So after that the question paper patterns will be successfully created. Click the print option. Based on that there is a questions, how many questions are we can use for that particular question. All the questions are shown here. You can just click that question and the print. So there is a question paper. So same as answer key. So please scroll down. So based on that now all the questions are shown here. So you can just print the question paper. So that the answer key will be shown here. Please click the dashboard. So in that particular question paper creation software, we can create a question paper using automatic method, manual method, or else if you want to create a particular chapter questions or unique questions, you can create it here. If you have any queries, please WhatsApp us in this particular number or please call us for that further details. Thank you.